Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get started with Replit step by step. If you're completely new to Replit, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you the basic steps you need to begin using the platform. First, open Replit in your web browser and sign in to your account. After signing in, you'll arrive on the Replit homepage, where you can create new projects and access your existing ones. Next, click Create Something New to start a new project. You can choose the type of project you want to create or simply describe your idea if you're using Replit AI. Replit will prepare the project and open the editor for you. Once your project is ready, you'll see the editor where you can write or edit your code. You can also use the preview panel to see how your application looks while you're building it. If everything is working correctly, continue making changes until you're happy with your project. As you become more familiar with Replit, you can create additional projects, organize your work, and explore more tools available in the platform. Replit is designed to let you build, test, and manage projects directly from your browser without needing a complex local setup. And that's it. That's how you can get started with Replit in 2026. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Replit tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.